At school that day, and Justin called me on my cell.
Hey, Mama.
Oh my goodness gracious, get that thing out of here.
Why, what's wrong?
Hud, you'll ruin the whole tape.
How am I gonna ruin the whole tape?
Because I'm in it.
No, this was the whole part of coming down here. We could have went anywhere for a honeymoon.
Well, that's true. That's true. Are you having a good time?
I'm having a real good time.
I tried to talk to her.
We sure are enjoying it.
Huh?
We sure are enjoying having you.
Us too. Having a good time. Is that light bright?
She couldn't
Uh-huh.
put Justin in prison, that she was going to get him fired
Sure
from
is.
his job. She was gonna do
Okay, that's
anything
enough, son.
so that he
Huh?
would love
That's
him.
enough.
That's enough.
Yeah, that's enough. Bye. I'm like Brandon. Bye.
Love you.
Love you too.
Hey, Nathan. Nicole. What you ducking for?
I didn't know what that was.
Huh?
I didn't know what it was. It was just a light shining in my face.
I just want to take my mom.
Huh?
I want to take my mom first.
Okay, well, go for it.
I already did.
Oh, you just went and taped her?
Mm-hmm.
I couldn't understand what you were saying.
What you doing, Nathan?
Wait, popcorn?
You got the munchies?
A little bit. You probably got 2 bucks. Oh, not, dude. Not no more. Been a long time. You like recording me?
Huh? You recorded me for 3 hours. It's my turn. Old bastard.
Yeah, but you didn't even know what was going on.
Yeah, I did.
You take so many pills.
Cool. She's cool. But she's not like us.
Put the light off.
Well, you
Hey, Nanny.
video
What you
pictures.
doing, baby? I know you're showing you this video here in this dark time.
You don't think so?
Maybe a little
Take that
bit.
light off.
Watch this. I'll just take a picture right quick and you can see how good.
You gonna flash my eyes?
Look.
Turn that light off, baby. You don't need it.
It
Whoa.
is pretty bright out here.
We just
Do
have
what? What'd you say?
We're having a large time.
Yeah, what you said it was though?
It's your honeymoon.
Yep.
It's your honeymoon. And y'all married. And I've got me the most beautiful 4 grandbabies in the whole wide world. And I got the most 2 beautiful kids in the whole wide world.
Mm-hmm.
Did I say that right?
What about your nephew?
Well, my nephews. Yes. Did you get my
You hooked it up? Yeah, I got her.
What's coming?
She told me to turn it off about 3 times.
Who?
Come on.
Mama?
Said you don't want to put this on your honeymoon tape? You don't want to ruin it?
Mama said that?
Yeah.
Because she knows any picture taken is not a good resemblance.
Oh,
of her.
Mama is just gonna be like that. She just, cause I told
Well,
her
she never
no,
seen
cause I told her
pictures
she
of
got her
Mama.
Easter basket in her belly, and she keep filling that Easter basket up. You know.
Get-
Hey, baby.
Hi, Dulcie.
Taste it. Make sure I made it okay.
She left on a flight back to New York late last night.
Not too much?
Good of her anyway.
What you doing, Josh?
You taping me?
Yeah, I'm taping you. Get one more time. Y'all going to sleep?
Look at this. Look at your nephew.
Oh my god.
He was cheating his wife.
I'll get you on video.
What are you doing this, baby? Because I'm just so...
Huh?
I don't need y'all to get up at 5:30 in the morning. I done partied me out.
And parted you out and came and went, jumped in bed and hid, huh?
I have to do that.
I know. Christina's getting ready. She's ready to go to bed.
I love y'all.
Love you
Thank
too.
you so much for coming to Nanny's house.
And sharing your honeymoon with us.
I tell you what.